In this tutorial, we will learn how to use OpenAI's Image Inputs API to build apps that can analyze and describe images. Let's first take a look at the GPT-4o model that we will use for this tutorial. It takes text and image inputs to generate text output. This is widely used for product description generation, object detection, image analysis, and more. For this tutorial, we'll first generate product descriptions from an image to demonstrate the power of OpenAI's Vision API. And we'll make them SEO-friendly to show how it fits real-world use cases like e-commerce and content automation. The code structure for image inputs is the same as text generation from our first tutorial. We just add an image, either via a URL or a base 64 encoded string. We'll explore both methods one by one. We have this image of an iPhone, and we will pass its URL as input to the model. You just need to add this block to the create function that specifies content type and URL of the image. This is what the response message looks like. It identifies the product, explains its features in an enthusiastic way, even providing tags for SEO and call to action. The second method is to upload an image encoded as base 64. We have this PNG image. To encode it as base 64, we import the package. Then open the file in binary format, in read mode. The B64 encode reads image data in bytes, so passfile.read to the encode function. To make it human readable, we use .decode function. This is what the encoded image looks like. To pass this encoded image as input to the model, we need to change a few things. The image URL is passed this way. The base64 part tells the API that data is encoded as B64. The next part is where the actual base64 encoded string is passed. The result is a structured product description as we specified in the prompt. You can also specify the level of image input detail. Low detail costs 85 tokens, whereas high details cost 170 tokens. So, if your task does not require a detailed image for analysis, you can cut costs by processing it in low detail. For example, if we want the AI to estimate the amount of calories from an image, we process it in high detail. The model approximates the calorie count and provides suggestions to balance the diet. What if you want to process multiple images? You can do so by simply adding another object containing the URL or encoded image. We have images of a room before and after it is furnished, and we will ask the model to compare the images to provide suggestions for styling the space. So we need to encode both images, as we saw previously in this video, and pass the encoded images here. OpenAI's Vision API is capable of analyzing medical images, as we will see in this example. We ask the model to find any abnormalities or conditions in the image. The model explains the injury shown in X-ray in detail. However, these are some limitations to the model as specified in the docs. This model is not suited for interpreting specialized medical images like CT scans. There are a few other limitations that you can see on the screen. That's all for this video. Do check out other videos in the playlist and master AI-powered development with OpenAI APIs. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. If you want to feature your AI tool, mail us at collaborate@aidemos.com.